Mano sana umwanchi mulieweta seni kia Ndizi TV na biro binde na ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya eli ndengo manye na raya bereka kolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inye chense asinse mo chiche mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bagotonyora witra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense media YouTube na bagotonyora witra Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na bagotonyora witra www.ndizitv.or.ke Editaria na Fridah Kerubo na stinsemo chibiora kele niko tokubatenera Joshua Auta ngwida nanda segeke Kerubo sio elinde ngomanye amange. Ingo chaka kegima umwanchi umulirire nigo chakera county ya Nyamira asengo kumanyibuna nigo abamenyi be county yo babiri bagusanga ebirengeri byabo kubwatkana no kubeka Sironga Industrial Park gusanga nigitaseni kia Ndizi TV nigo babulia serikali ya county ya Nyamira ebege ko bayinyora anena mono ase okurwa ebirengeri byabo kubwatkana na yara chigokolekana ase ensemeyo.
Ngoroku abugo geto nkere bugichora ngumbwa iga egenteke giatorie to boli moboito bwarenge ga ma istwaga kira matabori korukare ono kero giacha bagacha bakagita iga mbato te ingi bagocha kobeka ora bate baki bagocha kobeka korweri twachire konyeganya bagocha kira rituko bana gosabe bana korigereria endonge yo kende yonsi yatokonyire na torege to gosaba onye gegotaka bago tuteneni korumana ndogoje tuerigeria bago tuteneni nande gasi chake media diritu anse okora egasi maiga ya magoko twenyore ndokorete no ene chiko
samane nayo go safe ibe se chibono na boko jitumia oyo soko le biashara turu tisi industrial park ye kuchikocha onye bago toretere rerwe na banda so kono ne chibukatu kuchimombasa usama toke turu chibe se chiro anyona anyolo samane nayo go safe ibe se chibono na boko jitumia oyo soko le biashara turu tisi industrial park ye kuchikocha onye bago toretere rerwe na banda so kono ne chibukatu kuchimombasa usama toke turu chibe se chiro anyona
Ensemo yabamanyi bekirengo kegoromono ime ya Gusii ase sector yechisemi abamanyi kantemna Gusii educational sector professionals nigo bagikeire serikali anenomono ase enchira babiri baguchanda omwana bwiriro bali Gusii Dr. Fridah Matiang'i nigo boigo bakugikiria abarikorwa sorgongo rwa Gusii abo babire bakumurama Matiang'i kolende nigo banekibuna nigo Dr. Fridah Matiang'i abeteka gukora emirimo yaye bwikira Tingaki alenge ase sekta ime serikali.
Otwacha asota gakorokia okoba amo n'abantu bande nakubwa mono gusababa gusiba minto koba amo amangana abera koba sama tukaetire make anene mona asoyo minto Umu minister Kabeire Matiang'i ayo bete ase ministry yisemi mono ndaga tokola
abara baito no ena bare bugusiga nto tiga totie kona korigerego chimaega onye togo tebiru tarigeri go chibosio na bagusiga iga na bara bugika barigereria rare muchibosio erinde na ritora ya gachane togende bosio tobegente kemo so ayuna ranga tiga tonya mente abantu baito baiwe Kuru asekiombe kigetu ya education sector professionals.
Omuraibense Dr. William Ruto nigo litkolierero abaga kumira no muraibense ya Italia Sergio Mattarella ase enyomba enene yoborai omurai Mattarella nigo ale ase ense ya Kenya ase taro yae ya matuko anem okwa na Dr. William Ruto nigo abaga kweneki okubwaterana okuya gati ense ya Kenya na boigo Italia boigo nigo abaga kweneki na mbachikoliria anenomono sector yoboncheria elinde kubwaterana na boigo kwenekinga onsi aikiranire ansense mende nigo ainekibuna mbachikogendereria kwa gacha edam ya Arol na boigo elia Kimarel.
As I made a commitment to the people of Kenya that we are going to resolve the issues surrounding Itare Aror and Kimwarer dams, an issue that was that has dams now for almost 3 years. I am happy to report to the nation that the government of Kenya and the government of Italy have agreed, and in fact, the process of sorting out the matters in court has already started in earnest. We, as the government of Kenya, are going to withdraw the cases filed against the companies, and the government of Italy and the contractors are also going to withdraw the arbitration cases. We have agreed that the restart of this projects is not only urgent, it is priority, it is necessary, because it's going to supply water to many towns in Nakuru County and Kericho County and many other areas in Baringo and Elgeyo Marakwet County. We have agreed that the financing that was already made available is going to be restructured, and the projects are going to start. We intend to clear the court issues in the next 1 month and be able to start the process of negotiating the restructuring of financing, and hopefully we should be able to go on with the construction of these dams in
Abaraibe chidini ni gobeso kiri na boigo kumubulia omuraibense Dr. William Ruto gotwara enkwana ya bene no mwameranyo ye Raila Odinga asingencho yogokonya ense ya Kenya. Bakoragwa no mwaskofu monene ase diocese ya Mombasa Martin Kivuva ni goba muganiri Ruto kora enkwane yo ase ogosonsora amangana yogokonga kubugima asense ya Kenya.
The narratives being driven by political actors are weakening the basic commitment and submission to the Constitution and laws of Kenya, which is the fabric that binds us together as a nation. The situation cannot hold for long. There is need for immediate action to rescue the nation from further deterioration.
Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, we commend you for the leadership you have provided to the country since assuming office. Having settled in office, we now urge you to lead your administration on focusing on solving the problems.
Abagwatani korwase kiama gia UDA ni golitkolia rero batwara ege karona liba nabale babete bagusira ekiamekyo chingaki cyobocho likorwase nsemo ya Nyanza. Bakaragwa no yokabeire omugavana we county ya Nairobi Ivan Skidero nigo abagakwaliga bali bonsi nonya bali bagusira sensemo ya Raila Odinga asebene kibunamba chikobwaterana ne serikali wekirano nabwo kweneki amagendero ase chinsemo boigo nigo bamwire nilimbia mono gochia ase omuraibense Dr. William Ruto nonyati bamwakirite kura ase okweneki buna obereka gokora etaro yaye gochia ase orogongo rwa Nyanza.
Must be bold enough to overcome the little barriers dividing us and focus on the numerous frontiers that unite us. For in unity lies a greatness of a nation. It is for this purpose that the leadership present with us today has seen fit to join the UDA party. This is no longer an exercise of crossing the floor by members of other parties, but the spreading of the carpet wide enough for each person to feel the warmth of the room.
We had a good meeting with the President and the Deputy President yesterday, and we were very happy and greatly assured that despite Luo Nyanza not voting the President and the Deputy President, actually, instead of giving him a poyo, we gave him Oyeo, which is a small rat. But despite that, the first place that the President visited was Nyanza, and he followed it with another visit within 3 months. And in those 3 months, he has assured the Nyanza people that we must be part of the Kenya.
Omuteneneri we budget Margaret Nyakango nigo aikirana busi we committee elio kwiraneria amabolio amulengete aniga gocha magayo kubwatuka chibesa ekyo cyabeire chikuringorwa nabayigo gotarrokana ekichyakorete.
And with making payment, my office does not make payment at any time. Of course, I make payments if I'm buying stationery for my office, but I don't make payments of public payments. If we go to the Constitution, I think it is very clear. I approve withdrawals. A withdrawal transfers money from the consolidated fund to the spending account. I have no access to the spending account, so I do not know what happens within the spending account. So if we start from that premise, I think a lot of questions here will have been answered.
But perhaps, Madam Controller, if yes, you're saying that you approve withdrawal from the consolidated fund, but you don't approve the payment
I don't approve
after the withdrawal has been made.
Yes.
But the question is, why then does the request to you on that withdrawal has to have a reason? Then are you purporting to say then you have no, like you just approve for the sake of it, like that withdrawal?
Not
you do not have the authority or the requirement to confirm what that payment is for, because especially this particular withdrawal is for one specific payment.
Kubwatikana no kunganyigwa kwa borokia abanene ase chiskuru nigo abaibuli babiri bagweso kebene na bigokorobekana ase chinsemo kolende nigo egekure getindi kyarulego kya ase abaibuli abo ase nekiwabuna nigo ebinge byabere bigotenena kubwatikana no koroberwoko kolende nigo baba kubolwa kubwatia chinchera kibwenerete ekero umorkia aberega kunganywa kurwa ase skuru ya mogo kya ase yende.
In the recent weeks, I think immediately we opened schools, we've seen a lot of disturbances happening in many of our secondary schools. We have been reliably informed that TSC in pursuit of ensuring excellence and stabilizing performances in schools, they conducted a routine change of head teachers in many schools. We saw a lot of parents and students up in arms against some of the transfers. In fact, this morning we saw an incident in Ober Boys in Rachonyo East. We've also seen a number of schools also
Serikali nigo yarire eira yogochukwaga cha edaraja ya Ndizi eyogotoka ime kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi gukwana omwaziri w'obosombi Kipchumba Murkomen chingaki akorte taro yaye ase chinsemecho nigo alieteira nabo igokwene kibuna inse yomutinyo yomo nachigo ikerania eire yo.
A commitment of 131.5 kilometers.
We have discussed the perennial problem affecting Ndizi Bridge. Ndizi Bridge has killed so many people because it's a dangerous bridge. It's you descend to a corner, and for that reason, this is a subject that has been discussed in this ministry over a long period of time. More than 5 times since I joined the office, the president has inquired and asked us to work on resolving the question of Ndizi Bridge.
This bridge does not kill people of Tharaka Nithi only. This is a highway that ends all the way to Ethiopia. It kills other Kenyans, it kills tourists, and it kills anyone who finds themselves that road and they're not aware of how is it like. Our prayer is that even though we have no resources, there is no cost we can put to our life. So that should be given a priority.
Ase gikege tambe nigo abaleno bolema babiri bakwebwa ase ebinyoro gukwana omugavana kurwase kaunti ya Trans Nzoia nigo abagakubolia bamenye benseme yo wesokia ase obonge nabo igokolikia bali baleno bolema elinde gokonyeka amatuko abusio.
Tuanze kwanza na hao watu ambao ni walemavu, wapate pesa, wafanye biashara, wakuwe watu wa kawaida kama sisi.
Tuweze kushirikiana, tuweze kuwasajili, na mimi mwenyewe nitabeba list. Mimi mwenyewe nitabeba list ya walemavu wale ambao tumesajili kutoka hapa, kuhakikisha ya kuwa mnaanza kupata pesa zenu.
Maendeleo haijui chama, njaa haijui chama, ulemavu haijui chama. Mchague ule ambaye unaona kweli huyu anatumikia wananchi.
Na kama kuna kitu ile ambaye iliniguza zaidi ni hao wazazi. Kuna mzazi mmoja nilimpata na watoto wawili wako na such condition, na yeye mwenyewe hana kazi. Wazazi wengi pia wako na watoto wako na hiyo problem ya CP na hawana kazi. Na hata kama wana kazi, wengi waliwacha kazi zao wakaweza kukaa nyumbani ili washughulikie watoto wao.
Wanawapatia vikombe ambao zinafanana, alafu wanapotea. Ikifika jioni wanakuja wanawachukua. Hiyo mtindo nilikuwa naiona Nairobi wakati nilikuwa DC huko kule Kamkunji. Nilikuwa naona watu wanatoka Tanzania wanaletwa hapa. Lakini kwa sasa naona ni kama Trans Nzoia Kitale pia wamefika, si ndio? Sisi tunakuwa macho sasa. Na ningependa wale ambao wanafanya mambo kama haya wayasikie leo, ya kwamba Trans Nzoia hatuna nafasi yoyote ya mtu kutumia watu walemavu.
Mwanchi muligereria kurwa soroba tironi onaikire omweli ogwa mangana maya asebire biga kurendengo gusabato basa gusukato basa kanyegera gekoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange no yanyole buno koletronere Evelyn Osero astinse mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense media YouTube na bagotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News asense ya website na bagotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Magech kamera soko ene kibina ebicha na boigo eliogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobe tukubatanere Joshua Auta asense moche biorokerelia na incheria ne Fridah Kerubo kukuganilia obuligerelia obia.